Hello creative, welcome to this channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your laptop, your PC faster in 10 seconds. Yes, you heard me right, in just 10 seconds. Now before we go into that, as a creative you have to open loads and loads of tabs on your PC when you're working. Sometimes I'm working on CorelDRAW, my Photoshop is open and I have the browser open, my browser open, and so many tabs on my browser. This can make your laptop super slow, especially if you are using a laptop that has a very little processing speed. So how do you make your laptop to move faster than usual? In 10 seconds your laptop become fast and super fast. So if you find this video helpful, click on the subscription button, click on the like button, share this video to as many friends as you can. Let's dive into making our laptop faster. So you are going to click on the Windows button, and when it comes up you will search view advanced system setting. Here you can see view advanced system setting, as you can see. So I'm going to click on this and it will load up. When it comes up, click on settings right here, click on that's performance setting. Just click on it. You can see visual effects, processor scheduling, memory usage, and visual memory. So I'm going to click on settings and then you click on adjust for best performance. You're going to meet it here like this. Just click on adjust for best performance, okay, and then you click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see it load, and in 10 seconds you notice that your system has the settings, even the settings from here changes, and your system becomes super fast. Now if you find this helpful, like I said, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bar, and you will be notified when I release more content like this. Let me know in the comment section if this worked and how it has helped you. See you.